we show you how to make your R8 completely custom to you. The secret is in at the front and the back. Here at Carbonwurks, we like to make every R8 unique, or most cars unique anyway. So we've come up with a bit of a solution for that, because ultimately this is a bit boring, this engine bay. You've got this great big glass cover, it's hiding what could be something very special here. So I'm going to talk you through what we've done here at the back end, a little surprise at the front, but actually we did have a little bit of a snag with a particular part. I'm going to talk you through that now. So first up, let me pop the hood or the bonnet or whatever you might say. Either way, engine to the back. Let's pop it open and see what it's all about. Open sesame. Right, now we've got some talking points here. So what we've done here at Carbonwurks is work with Downstar Inc, which is a California-based company, to produce what, in my opinion anyway, is one of the finest looking engine bays that money can buy. With the carbon that we've got here already, it looks spectacular. And we come to all of these fixings. So we've gone with a cotton candy titanium set on this car. So most of the bolts that you can gain access to, bolts and nuts, we've replaced them. Looks pretty smart, doesn't it? They don't just come in this color. There's a whole range, a whole spectrum of different colors that you can get for titanium, but also billet aluminium. So you're more sort of blues, greens, reds, oranges, that sort of stuff. So got a couple options in terms of the material, the metal and the finish, and that's the reason why this is something that can be completely custom to you. What's the point in having a car that someone else can just order exactly the same thing? I'm not saying it's like your wife or your girlfriend necessarily having a set of nails that go with your car, but the point is you can make this completely custom to you. And yeah, there's not many finer places to go than Downstar Inc for those fixings. This is exclusive to ourselves. This isn't something you can go to Downstar for at the moment, at least anyway, because we actually have to machine some parts and spec certain things to enable these fittings to work, both at the front and the rear. But one of the problems which we found was the plenum. So this from factory doesn't use bolts. It actually uses a almost self-tapping screw. So we can't just bolt straight into it. So we had to effectively create a thread to enable those bolts to go into, so it can then continue this, because there's only bolts and nuts available with the Downstar kit. There's no screws, it's all bolts. So we had to create something a little bit different here. And that was a little bit testing. However, this, what we would recommend being a professional install only, we now have a solution which changes the boring bolts in the middle there to something a bit more unique and special. So that's the back end in all of its glory. Check out some of the B-roll going in of all the different bolts and fixings. But let me get you to the front end and we can talk about what we've done in there. So heading over to the front now, which I can actually unlock on the key this time. Let's pop the front end and see what we've got going on. So a lot of the fixings we have here are standard black Dzus fasteners, which look really dull, and we thought it's a good opportunity to change that up. It's not a straightforward fitment. We've got to put effectively a fixing on the underside to enable the bolts to effectively go in, because otherwise they're just not going to screw in, because as I said, it's a slightly different fixing. We've got a whole plethora here of fixings, and what I like about the kit is the more you move around, the more you look at it, you realize actually there's a couple here, there's a couple here, okay, there's another 3 or 4 here, and it suddenly starts lighting up, and I think that's really cool. It's something that we've tried to create a little bit of a surprise. As you look round, you'll notice a few here and there that maybe you didn't necessarily pick up straight away. So we've got a couple here at the top, latches, and working your way down the bonnet. So much like the rear, there's quite a few different options color-wise. We've gone with the titanium finish. That's just kind of what we like to do. And there is actually a final hiding one, which is, if I open the door, just there, we've somehow managed to find another bolt that we could change and decided to pop it there. So even though, although the bonnet will be closed, you can still open the car door every time and see obviously the bolt there as you open up. So it's a really comprehensive kit. This is something that we've developed, and the thing that I need to get across to you guys is this isn't just some cheap Chinese rubbish that you've bought in that is coloured. It is built to last. It's made in the US, and because of that there's good quality control versus something that you can just buy from Alibaba for a few pounds, which either won't fit, isn't the right size, isn't the right specification, or after a few months is find that the colour is going to be washed out when you've put some cleaner over the car. So quality stands compared to some of the other stuff that you can buy. This is something that is available on our website. As I said, you've got lots of different options. What will you choose? But as I said, you've got an R8 if you're watching this video, hopefully. Make it different, do something a bit unique, choose something that is a bit more custom and personal to you. Thank you very much for watching. See you guys next time. And before I end it, we've done this full GT carbon pack. If you haven't seen the videos already, check it out because it's a cool work, it's a cool project. So see you guys soon.